Howdy everybody. Good morning. How y'all doing today? It's early again, buddy. It is 7:16 a.m.
Friday, May 1st.
Happy Friday to you. So we getting ready to head over here to the building. We got to pull
quite a few orders.
Yeah, I think we got 13 going out, or 14. So we're gonna get them pulled and packed up, and then either today or tomorrow we got to go over and get our auction winnings from Bowden, Georgia. So that ought to be fun. So I don't know when we're gonna do that though yet. We'll see. I got to get some listings done. I got a box back here from Mercari of some things I bought, so we'll go through that stuff. Just some old gasket seals and things, oil seals. So that should be pretty fun. But I want to thank y'all for coming back and watching another video from us. And let's get over here and get busy. Alrighty, so these are just a bunch of oil seals, like Federal Mogul, some National. There's over 100 in here, all new old stock, damaged, you know, somewhere to the boxes. I think there's like 130 in here, if I had to guess. Now these aren't big money. I mean, they're probably $5 to $10 plus shipping a piece. Some of them maybe a little less, maybe a few of them a little more. But they're gonna be super easy to list. They weigh nothing, super easy to ship. Got 140 of them for $40. So I mean, I'll make some money on them whether they sit for a year. I don't know, you know, but we'll make some money on them. So I am giving my little backdrops here a makeover. I'm turning it from the wood to a whitewash, and I got to put a coat of clear poly on that, and then I'm gonna do that one the same way. And I'll probably put some kind of frame around them. I don't know, we'll see. So it's looking alright. Alrighty, so we got our orders wrote down here. We're getting ready to pull them. First thing we got to pull is the LuLaRoe Carly. It's an M5A17, so we're going to let her do that. Look there, right on top, buddy. Just listed this one. It's just a size medium. LuLaRoe Carly, and for this we got $12.59 plus shipping. Next thing we sold is a 1958 marker on N2. So let's go over here to N2.
This box, isn't it?
I believe it is. Pull that box down. There it is. Here it is right here. This is just a vintage Carter's Marks a Lot marker. And for this, we sold this for $15 plus shipping. Just as like an old advertisement piece type deal. I got paint all over me. So happy about that. I got that for $25. Now we got to get a gopher trap in M2. So right here it is. These things are dangerous, buddy. These gopher traps, buddy. I pulled them things out to test them, make sure they worked. And I set them and I broke. Look at them pieces fall out of them. See, that's not spring. I got this one set and I broke the thing off of it. And then that one, I broke the same thing off of it. See it down in there? That one is still in the box. I don't know how to set them and test them to make sure they work. I should have read the instructions, I guess. My God almighty. Woo! I'm glad my finger wasn't in that thing. That thing just went off, I guess. We're gonna put that back in the garbage before I can get hurt. God, that scared me. So if y'all find these, don't mess with them. Them things are dangerous. So this gopher trap ended up selling for $20.96 free shipping. Happy about that one. Okay, now we got to get 2 Janet books in N5B. So we'll let her do that. She knows where they're at.
I believe it's those two.
She said she believes it's these two, so we'll roll with it. She'll check them. So 2 of these books, Motor Girl and Motor Mouth, from Janet Ivanovich for $6.83 plus shipping. Alright, now we got to get a light tower remote. in D1. I just listed this. It's just a Panasonic light tower remote. I did test it and everything, and for this it ended up selling for $10.46 plus shipping. Now we sold another one of these tins. We sold the tar soap one. Sold this right here, Packer's tar soap tin. Pretty rough condition, but cool nonetheless. This sold for $6.99 plus shipping. Alrighty, so now we sold a Herbie Hancock tape. It's an M1B. Let's run over here to M1B. See if we can find it. Here it is, right here. So this is just a Herbie Hancock Headhunters cassette, new sealed. And for this, we ended up getting $19.25 plus shipping for this, so that was a good one. So the next thing we got to get is this Budweiser Black Golf Stein. And it's over here. And we're selling these without the boxes because the boxes stink. So we'll take this out of the box and send it just by itself. And this sold for $9.79 plus shipping. Alright, we got to get an air blow fan from H3. This right here. Picked this up at a garage sale in Florida for 10 bucks. I think maybe 8. I can't remember. Just this right here, it's airflow. Goes like in a register. And this ended up selling for $52.46 plus shipping. Alright, now we got to get a TV Guardian off of I-2. Picked this up for $2.50 in Florida. And this wasn't that great. It sold for $17.49. But nonetheless, making money, so I'm happy with that. Now we got to get a Steel Series mouse pad in C1. All the way at the bottom. So this right here is new. It's just a cloth gaming mouse pad. And for this, we got $8.75 plus shipping. Now we sold some sneakers, Nursing Oscillate Rocker sneakers on C. These right here, they're already packed up my PFRE. Not sure why, but they are. And these ended up selling for $20.89 plus shipping. Alright, last but definitely not least, I saved the best for last for y'all. We sold two different things. We got a M2 Super B on N2, so let's grab it first. So it's going to be in this barrel right here. I'll put that up here in a minute. It's just this little M2 1970 Dodge Super B model, and it is new. So let's set this over here real quick. These are going to the same buyer. Now we got to go to L2. This one right here. It's this Eck, I guess that's how you say it, Eck from Ready Player One Funko Pop. So Johnny,
here's Johnny
over at Cajun Roots Reseller, and he's also got another channel called Cajun Roots Cooking, and you'll see it pop up with a picture of his channel. Both of those are excellent channels, and I encourage you, if you're not subscribed to Johnny, to go subscribe to his Cajun Roots Reseller and his cooking show. And he's one of the true authentic YouTubers. I love to watch him. Very knowledgeable, funny guy. And he recently did a haul video, and you'll probably see a picture of it right here, where he bought a bunch of movie posters, plushes, records from other resellers like that was overwhelmed, like their death pile type stuff, money pile, and then they auctioned it off on YouTube. But he did buy these from us, and he said he wanted to support us for all the great content we put out. And it's truly humbling that somebody would show us our support that way. So Johnny, we're going to get these sent out to you. We hope you love them.
Okay, so we just had a sale. It's for Avon Renewal Night Cream. And it's going to be in B1. This right here, we got $8.75 plus shipping on it.
We was in the middle of almost unpacking our orders here, so we'll just go ahead and get this out since it's Friday. So this is going to be the new setup. I think it's going to look pretty well good with this whitewash type board. See that? So I think that'll do real good. I just got to be careful not to scratch it until I get my clear coat on it, because I don't want that paint to peel. So that right there is going to look good. Alrighty guys and gals, so that's going to do it for today's video. We are leaving now. We're going to head up over down to Georgia and pick up our stuff more than likely today. I'm going to call them and see. And if we don't, we'll just come back over here later and list. But I do want to thank y'all for watching this video. It means a lot to us and we appreciate it. We have fun making them. If you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button for us. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. And we will see you guys and gals tomorrow. You all take care.